Welcome to the 60-second update from 502 Ulster Squadron at the Northern Ireland International Airshow. Aircraft based in the UK have deployed to different UK locations to test their ability to disperse at short notice and operate with minimal support. Exercise Agile Shield demonstrated flying units and support teams' readiness to conduct agile combat employment. The Northern Ireland International Airshow featured the last flying variant of the Vampire, branded in 502 Ulster Squadron markings to support the centenary of the Royal Auxiliary Air Force. Other RAF aircraft taking part in the show included the Typhoon Display Team and BBMF. A Chinook from 18 Squadron, RAF Odiham, has been exercising on Guernsey, trialling a medevac emergency. Training with other emergency services improves our ability to respond to a crisis and hones our resilience and preparedness. The RAF entered 3 teams in the Braemar Highland Games Inter-Services Tug of War. The traditional event tests each team's strength, technique and discipline, all core elements of military life. Congratulations to this year's winners. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.